Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to integrate ln x squared. We would want to solve the integral of ln x squared with respect to x. The formula is the integral of u dv equals u times v minus integral of v du. We choose u equals ln x and dv equals ln x dx. Now we need to differentiate and integrate. Du equals 1 over x dx and v equals integral of ln x dx equals x ln x minus x. And now we apply the formula. The integral of ln x squared dx equals ln x times x ln x minus integral of x ln x minus x over x dx. And then to simplify, x ln x squared minus x ln x integral of ln x minus 1 dx. To solve the remaining integral of ln x minus 1 dx equals integral of ln x dx minus integral of dx. And we know integral of the ln x dx equals x ln x minus x. So it becomes x ln x minus x equals x ln x minus 2x. And the final answer after the substitute back, integral of ln x squared dx equals x ln x squared minus 2x ln x plus 2x plus c. The final result is x ln x squared minus 2x ln x plus 2x plus c. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.